Try to draw so many people.
What?
Many people as
Try
you
to draw
can,
as many.
Ivo.
Mr. Al? Mr. Al? Do you like my
Yeah,
double decker
yeah,
bus?
Ruth. Yes, I like it. Wow, that
Like
is
Alonso.
yeah. That's match with my expect
It's called the double.
double.
It's called a double
Oh
decker.
yeah. Okay then. Thank you so much for giving me some idea. Can I draw a double decker
Yes,
also at the?
yes, you
Okay then.
can.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Ivo. Ruth. You're so kind. I think I
I
like
want
your
to make
idea.
it big. I want to make it big. I'm gonna make a camper van. I'm gonna make it.
Yeah. You,
How
Jason. How about your drawing?
I'm gonna show you my camper van.
can I see that?
Yeah,
I'm
Jason.
gonna draw a
That's
helicopter.
nice.
I'm gonna draw a helicopter.
Yeah. Okay,
And that is
Jason. Is
I'm
it?
gonna make and even I draw a cliff road.
Wait. Yeah. Wait. Jason wanna say something. Jason. Yeah. Jason, you wanna
Yeah?
say something? Yeah. You wanna say something?
No.
Okay, Jason. Try to make it as realistic as you can. Yeah. For example, you draw the lamp, the road lamp like this, and yeah. Usually we are on the road, see some of the lamp, right? Like this. Yeah.
It gives me some ideas. Give me the cane.
That after yeah, I'm going to draw the building.
Mr. Al, do you look first camper van?
Yeah, show us, please. Wow, nice. Ivo, I like the way you draw the yeah that kind of thing. I want you to make it for people things. Yeah, you can as many as
Okay. This is a doodle. This one is only one who's look.
yeah. Don't forget at the back of your drawing you have to draw the building.
I don't have a building. Anyway. I am
Yeah.
drawing Catlandia. That means a land of wolf. Wow.
Wow.
I'm gonna draw a cat walking. A homeless cat. Can you do this? Exciting sound. I drew my very first lap. Yes. Are they going camping? The camper van is going on a holiday. Oh, they're going on a holiday. That sounds kind of fun. I'm gonna draw some buildings. Some parking on the towers. Cuthbert sings something. I am so bored of hearing nonsense sound. Come on, please sing.
Let's actually look
Sing.
very. It's very amazing.
I thought Mr. Al just left the meeting.
But he's still here.
For a second ago, I thought he left the meeting. No, seriously.
No, he just muted himself, so it looks like he's not there, but he's muted.
I think he is going somewhere, so yeah, maybe he has many things and stuff, you know.
Well, maybe he's gonna get his phone or go to the toilet or something.
Maybe he has a call, so the student don't want to hear that boring call.
Not a good call, right? It's a good call, maybe.
What do you
Info.
say? Yeah.
Info.
Yes.
Well, don't tell me that little Clara have some punishment.
Was Mr. Al gone for a second?
Hi.
Oh,
Hi.
you just scared me.
Someone sing something. I am bored of hearing nonsense sound.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
you see
was.
my drawing? Okay then. Yeah. Alright, don't forget to draw the building, yeah, behind it.
I already drawn a building.
For me, I'm still drawing.
Yeah, try to make it as
For me,
You
I'm
make
just
it
still
yeah,
drawing.
try to make it as many as building as you can.
I'm still drawing the vehicles.
Mr. Al, I thought you do the building at the third page.
I got what?
I thought you did our building in the third page.
Yeah. Okay, up to you, Jason. I'm sorry, yeah, my connection is not good here.
You like my drawing?
I hear thunder.
Because it's raining in your side, right? For me, it's sunny in my place and very hot.
My place. Yeah.
My place it's not rainy though.
Yeah, mine.
In Dubai.
Wait.
Jason, is in your place rainy?
Wait.
Okay, he doesn't have rainy.
I am with Jason in Surabaya, okay?
Oh. Mr. Al, do you like my drawing? It looks like it's more beautiful than I thought.
Yeah, I like your drawing. It looks like me. I mean, in another version. That's cool, Ruth. I want you to make it more detailed, Ruth. If you have to put like a label like hotel or post office or what, the hospital, you just can label your building at the back.
Forgot about that.
Yeah, I think nice.
I want to draw my Catlandia house. My first Catlandia house.
People is here.
Yes. Oh. Oh. Where were you?
Jason is on.
Oh. Can I just draw the next section? I know Jason is over there.
I was going to his camera.
Well, I saw Jason was in your room.
Yeah, because we're at the same house. No, it's funny.
Jason, your room is so dark. And it looks like you're just alone. But that's good. Whoa! Uh, oh, shit.
Why is everyone... Jason!
Eh? What?
That was for nothing.
Then why did you raise your hand?
It was an accident. I didn't know.
Yes! I got the mosquito in my room.
Hmm. Sorry.
Wow. Ivo, can you show it to me? Your drawing? Can I see that? Wow, that's cool. You draw the cats, you draw the people with a stroller, and then yeah.
It's a
Come on,
baby
Ivo.
stroller.
Yeah, try to make another things. Good job, Ivo. I wanna see. Oh, Tia also
This is a
draw the
baby.
building.
This is not a building, it's the literal London bus.
All right, good. Okay, I'm going to start to color. Yeah, guys, if you think you're ready to color, just color it. No need to wait for me.
Okay.
Just yeah, keep up the good work.
I am done. Wait, who's the
I'm
lead?
going
Oh my
to try
god.
and
I
draw a frog.
get you, girl.
Gonna be my
Where
first
was that
time.
lead? Okay, I think I now need to make the world. Mute! Roll the clip. Roll the crib.
A frog.
And by the way, my mom is still teaching.
She's a teacher.
Also, she's a teacher of university. Also, my mom is teaching.
Usually my mom is a teacher, but now she changed her mind. She wants to be a mom.
Hello?
I need that. I got a new. It's
Hope I type school. Hope I write school. I like it.
what?
I'm gonna draw the grass. The grass is green. Spicy is so spicy. Is your food spicy? No. No, not at all. Not eating. By the way, I'm gonna draw the grass. The dog is so cute. I really want to draw it, but I need to draw the grass first. Help me. This green needs a coloring. Then this will need why. See what color do we have? We have this pencil. I can use this green pencil to oh yeah, I'm running out of pencils. Ah!
So, Ruth, you plan to color it with what? Color pencil or watercolor or what?
Remember, my mom didn't bring watercolor.
How about marker? Do you have it? Marker or color pencil?
I have a color pencil and marker.
Okay then. All right. You can use that.
Well, I'll use the two of them.
This is beautiful.
Ow! I just bent my feet. You can do anything that you wanna do. Ah, ah, la la la. I mean, what is it?
You can do anything that you can do. Ah, ah.
Who's that?
What you wanna do? Ah, ah,
I think this is going to cost $100.
What? Wait, what? What?
No,
Why is it so expensive?
I'm
Why was it $100?
I'm going to draw a stand named Iced Tea. It's gonna cost $100.
What?
What?
But in Indonesia, it's expensive.
That's what it makes expensive because it's so good.
I think using pencil is more, or I think using pencil is more nice.
Yes, my friend always do that. You have a Shopkin?
What?
You have a Shopkin or what?
A Shopkin?
Yeah, I have a Shopkin.
Well, I do not have a Shopkin, but I do have a doll named Jessica. She always
Yeah.
plays with me. She's a playmate to me. Woo!
Wow.
Jessica, come here. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, you make me sneeze.
Where?
Jessica.
I'm gonna make the tallest hotel.
Jessica. This is Jessica Watterson.
What is the color?
Hi, Jessica.
She's still a little girl, and she's still a little girl.
Wait.
I'm gonna throw you into the bed.
I'm just gonna get my doll real quick.
Hold up, I need to see.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. Oh no.
What are you singing?
Oh no 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 no
Guys,
no.
look at my cute.
No, it's like this. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No!
Guys, look at my cute chicks.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no 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 no.
Sounds like the kanino, the voice. It's so funny.
The coconut nut
Yeah.
is a big nut.
Coconut nut is a giant nut. Need to eat too much. You get very fat. Coconut nut. I think if I join the singing competition, I will be the winner. Yeah.
Yes. Nope.
Would be
No.
tied.
Yeah. Yes. Are you sure? Yes.
Yes.
No. I'm a bad singer.
Yes, you're best.
No, you're not. You can still sing in front of us, but in the audience, oh my god, you're fired.
Why? If he's
You can do
singing for the audience,
anything that you wanna do.
everyone is going to be like, boo.
Oh.
Is that every Mistral. If
Mr.
everyone
Al,
saw you,
Yeah,
so
Miss
the
Ifo.
audience be like,
Miss
ooh.
No, the audience will be wow. You have a golden voice. You're supposed to be an
Yes,
artist.
they will say you have a golden voice.
And then the judge will. Can you sing another song? Yes. How about Let It Go from Frozen movie? Oh, I can
Oh,
sing that
no.
song. I'm
Yes, you
very
can.
yeah, I'm better in
Yes,
singing
you're
that song. And then
very good. Yes, you are.
the judge will give me 100 score.
They
Like,
will.
come on, Mr.
Yes, they will. They
Yeah,
will.
come on, Mr.
No,
Agus.
they will not. They will not give you 100 score. You're flawless. They will give you 4
Ah,
extras. I thought you were a butler. Oh wow, this beautiful house looks like a view. Oh. Well, I'm still drawing on the grass. For me, I am kinda now like making things. This thing.
okay, I'm going to
Yes.
sing the Let It Go, yeah?
Okay.
The snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Not that I free to the sea. I think that we're isolated. And in this light, I'm the queen.
Don't sing it in front
The
of
wind is
Jason.
howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, even though I
I
tried.
sing first. How about I sing first and then Nifo? I sing first and then
Don't let
Nifo.
them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always had to
Hi, can
be.
you hear me? Can't even hear her.
They know, well now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it
Oh my
go.
gosh, are you deaf? Wow, can you even hear what?
I'm so frustrating. I cannot sing well. Something wrong with my throat, with my voice. It's not
Mr. Al,
bad.
how about I sing? How
And then
about I
me.
teach you how to sing? How about I teach you how to sing?
Me
Okay.
too.
How?
Like this. You first go like this. Like that.
Guys, you have to trim the low voice, not the high voice.
The low voice.
How to do it?
Like a girl, changes clothes. Yeah. Oh wow, that's the Katy Perry song. How about like this? I sing first. When I see you again, when I see you again. How about you try to sing that? Hello, are you muted?
Hello, I am
I
trying
just got a text from someone. I am done with some
Mr.
Al. Yada yada
Guys, how about I try and teach him?
Okay.
Hello, anyone home?
It's been a long way without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We come a long way from where we began. I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. I see you again.
Guys, how about I Mr. How about I
My friend really will just text me a friend. Everything I do is something about myself. side, and now you're gonna like it for the last time with the lights on the way. Yeah. Can you do that?
Yeah, set it.
Roll the clip.
Roll the clip.
It's
How about I
been
just teach them? I know how to do it.
without you, my friend, and I tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Voice crack.
Are you sad?
Yeah, I don't know. I cannot sing well like you, Ruth. You have a nice voice. It's not
I
fair.
will
Oh, well, I can teach you how to do funny songs like la 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 la. The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you'll get very fat.
Okay, that was it. Hello.
What? Hello? I'm already here.
Yes, I'm also here.
Trying to
Da, da.
say something.
Okay, go. Ivo, you want to say something?
I am going to teach Mr. Al how to sing it this way and more better.
Okay, go ahead. Let's mute and hear.
Okay, I'll mute.
So, Mr. Al, can you do the like this? Yeah, yeah. Can you do like that? Hello. He's dead. I think I'm gonna cover it.
Oh, she's trying to teach you. Hello, anybody home?
Well, guys, you know the reason why Mr. Al is not like us?
Yes, why?
That's because girls and men's voice is different. Sheesh.
The boys are very phallus and the girls are very nice. Yep. Oh yes, we are British.
Also, my mom told me that who owns the world? Girls. Anyway.
Girls is always the winner.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
Mr.
why
Al,
the girls?
I will. Can you
Because
do
my
like
mom.
this? Yeah.
so many
Why is there like
Ooh.
two boys and three girls?
I know.
Yeah, it's not fair.
Mr. Al, I know why your voice phallus because you're making fun of music. How about using your real voice?
Okay, I'm going to sing my real voice. Yeah, this is my real voice.
Okay. No, you're just making fun of music.
No, it's his real voice. It is his real voice. What do you mean?
You in a better place. How could you not take up a time if I already got everything I'm doing staring up on my side, and now you're gonna need to for the last time with the lights on. No way. Yeah. And everywhere you say, we're always late home.
What was that?
You guys need to paint. Yeah.
Tell you all about it. Come a long way when we began. Oh,
I will do it again. I'll tell you about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Oh, oh,
We should both be in the sky, we should go in the clouds, we should be in the trenches, we should be in the fun. Get lost. And brother, when I come to the, I forgot the rest.
me too.
I forgot the rest.
Me too.
Mr. Al, Mr. Al, don't end this meeting because we want to talk.
Like this.
We should
Alright,
both
Jason, are you done, Jason? No?
have-
Not yet?
No.
Okay, we're going to wait, yeah?
Everyone.
How about you, Ivo? Are you done?
Come on, everybody, have fun and everything.
And I forgot the rest, and I don't know what is the rest. What is the song about?
I know a little bit.
Little girl, afraid of the big wide world. She grew up in a castle. I cannot do a high voice. Help.
Oh no.
Wow, my voice is so high. Thank you, audio.
And it was very red.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Who was that?
I'm not making.
Yes. Who is it? Booka booka.
Wow.
Can I see Jessica?
Wow, my throat.
Wow.
My dress color is gonna be yellow, and then my skirt color is gonna be red.
Did you draw me?
Yes. You are in the school bus.
Okay. Cool.
And our house is the orange house with a light purple roof.
Are
And we have a dog, and we have a dog named Sophia.
Oh, I really want a dog though, but I don't have my own house. The apartment has no pets except for fish.
I don't even have a pen. My mom went to me.
Well,
Doesn't
my
have
fish died because of pollution. I just dropped the pollution into the water of accident.
Wow,
Yes.
that was mean.
Please forgive me, fish.
Twisted piece of fish.
It's funny, right? No, it's not funny. It's very sad.
Can you please stop making me stressed out?
Okay, mute. Okay, mute. Roll the clip.
No. Let me just mute myself.
Me too.
You guys don't see roll the clip.
What?
Oh, yeah.
You guys said you want to mute.
You know,
Then roll the clip.
got it?
Hi.
I think I'm done. I just need to present everything. All right, Jason and Tia, Ivo and Ruth. This time I want you to present everything with detail, yeah? I don't want you to stuck in the middle like you don't know how to say. You have to say anything, okay? About the detail about the object, the shapes, why you choose purple, red on the building, for example, and why you choose the red colors on the sky, for example, like this. I want you to make it to present everything in detail, so that your English is also increasing later on.
And nobody answered.
You
Quiet.
know when you get hurt, you don't scream like ah, not like that, but you scream like this. Ow. I think Jason.
There is me and Ruth in the camper van, and Ruth is driving.
Oh, that's sweet.
And our house is the house that is pink, blue, and purple.
I want to get my doll. I got him.
I'm drinking orange juice.
Oh, I thought it was just an orange.
I also added the juice. I'm drinking orange juice. I'm like, wait, I forgot the juice.
Okay, it's 1 hour already. You guys need to work faster, all right?
I am already
Usually when-
drinking.
Yeah, I want you to. Yeah, you can make a joke, you can sing a song, but your
I have
hands
a joke.
supposed to be keep on doing your painting.
I am doing my painting.
Yeah. When you have the art, when you have the competition, for example, they will give you 2 hours. Then you have to finish it in 2 hours. That's why you have to work very fast. Okay.
Like this.
Mm-mm. Okay. Whenever you're done, please let me know so that you can present. After you present, you can wait for your friend or you can leave the call. Up to you. But the most important thing is I want you to talk more than like 3 minutes. I want you to talk like 5 minutes.
Don't just
Tell
like,
everything.
Mitra,
Yeah, Ivo?
don't just like this. Hi, my name is Ifo. This is what I created. That's it. Thank you. Don't just do
Yeah.
that.
No, not like that, please. Make it as many words as you can. If you want to talk like 30 minutes, like 1 hour, it's okay. I will let you talk that.
I will talk.
Yeah.
Can I talk
for 100 times, I promise. You count.
Yeah, Ruth.
I can't count your 100.
How about 100 trillion times?
That's not even a word.
Dang, that's not even a number.
Yeah.
100 trillion hundreds 100.
That's a lot. I cannot even count to that number.
1,000. Can you count that, please?
My breath is gonna die, you know.
I think Giovanna would definitely can do that, or maybe not.
Do you want to make a group?
Huh?
You want to make a group?
I lost my voice.
People, I'm gonna make a group about the meeting group again, but in different version. Giovanna's gonna be there. Thea's gonna be there. Ifo's gonna be there. Jason is gonna be there, and also my auntie's gonna be there.
Your mom?
I don't have Jason's phone number, so yeah.
Jason's phone number is just Jason. That's it.
You can just listen.
Well, you have to make me admin so I can add Jason, Thea, and.
Well, how do I make you an admin? How do I make you an admin?
You just tap on me when it's ready, and then you make it have the make group admin, and then I'll add Giovanna, Jason, and Thea.
Wait, which group?
Meeting group.
What app?
The one and only.
Okay, I'll make you an admin, but to step on you, do I just step on your body and then you just look like a splatter?
No! Corona!
It's little Corona.
Guys, I have a joke.
What's the joke?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Abby.
Abby who?
A B C D E F G.
It's funny.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Just me, Ruth.
Wow. That was
Okay,
painful.
once again. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Apple.
Apple who?
I like apple.
That's weird. It's funny.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Me.
Me who?
Ooh.
Meme.
Wait, don't steal Meme's name. That's a turtle's name, and I have a turtle named Meme.
Oh no. But it's just a joke, not weird.
Yeah. She.
I have 3 turtles now. One's named Jojo. Second is named what's her name again? I forgot her name. Blah blah blah. And the second name is Meme. So don't steal her name.
Wow, that's mean. That's just like your fan a little bit.
Well, I used to have a pet turtle, but now it got kidnapped.
Well, I saw, but do you have a cat?
Yeah, but one of them got kidnapped, and now we have a new cat, but it never come back again.
I wish it loves you enough.
It always sleeps at my lap.
So, Ifo, do you always play Texting Mafia?
What is texting?
Texting Mafia is if you have a big whole family, you're gonna have to put emoji. But if someone
I don't have texting mafia.
but if
Well,
you
I
see the
do
phone,
always play PKXD. I always play PKXD.
boy, wait.
my dad's gonna be here soon.
What are beauties?
Hey, your booty cheeks.
All right, don't forget, yeah. I want you to present every detail of your painting as long as you want. I want you
Okay.
to practice your
Can I
English.
do it
This
1 hour?
can Ivo. You can talk 1 hour, and Mr. A will leave the call earlier
What?
Why?
because it's 1 hour. I do not want to listen up every like 1 hour is too long, guys.
Like this?
Mr. Please don't end the meeting, okay? Because I still want to talk with Ifo.
Yeah, of
Yes.
course. Yeah.
Friends since kindergarten.
Thank you. Ifo, you know what? I'm already in P1. It means primary faith.
I mean another bee.
Wow, Ruth, you are now grade 1.
For me,
Yeah, me too.
for me,
Wow, Ivo also, yeah.
I am now in high school 1.
What? High school 1?
I mean primary. I mean,
Yeah.
can we just call it medium school 1? It's called primary 1.
Yes, primary 1 or grade 1. Yes.
And my teacher is Miss Christie.
Yeah.
Ruth,
What?
my teacher,
Oh.
my new teacher in my new school, Chikan, my new teacher's name is Miss Effie.
Miss Effie, yeah? How about you, Tia? Who is your new teacher?
Pak Johan.
Pak Johan. Now you are grade 3, right, Tia?
Yes.
Well, Jason is already grade 4.
Oh, Jason now is grade 4. Oh, nice. Okay, I
About school.
I can guess that Jason are good in math, yeah,
Yes.
and science probably. Yeah,
My friend is good at math.
yeah. You can achieve everything if you can try more harder.
Ifo,
That-
The road is
can you
Yes, Ivo, you have to color the road, yeah, with gray or maybe a brown.
But my paint isn't big enough.
Oh, you don't have anything? I mean, you don't have any paint to color the road?
I have a pen, but I don't have enough paint.
That was hard.
Oh, you can use any color then. You can use any color, Ivo. Don't give up.
or you can use a pencil like that.
Yeah, if
Take a while.
don't give up.
If it's not,
Try to find another way how to color your drawing. If you running out of your painting, you can use your color pencil or maybe what?
wait, Mr. I need to show this to my mom, but the coloring is not finished yet.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, Ruth. Go take your time. And Tia, come on, Tia. You have to color the sky. Time is ticking.
I know.
Yeah, you have to work fast, yeah? In Japan, actually, people work very fast.
I need to go back to my books.
Yeah. But
All of
Tia, even though that we're going to work fast, but you have still be careful, okay? I want you to make it as tidy as you can.
Oh no, but I make some mistake.
Yeah, it's okay. You can modify it. Remember, in art, if you make mistake, you can modify.
What is modify?
Even modified means doing, I mean, how to say it, yeah? Modified means, yeah, for example, you draw something, you draw people, and suddenly you make mistake. The people, you suddenly like, Mm,
Like make a scribble in accident when your pencil broke.
I
mm.
don't even use a pencil. I'm on hardcore. I'm hardcore.
Do you use permanent
Yeah.
marker?
Yes, I do. Like this. Like this.
Yeah,
I also have that marker.
yeah, good.
Let's see. Who has Minecraft $100?
I have $100, but it's more.
Who has Minecraft? Yes, Ivo already has Minecraft. My brother has. Whoa, Jason, that's so nice. Wow.
Wow, Jason. Yeah.
In my laptop.
I wish I can buy mine.
Okay, are you done, Jason, with that, or you need to count everything?
I only need to color one more building.
Yeah. Okay then, Mister. I will be waiting then. Come on, Jason. Don't give up. Actually, I'm about to give you an animations lesson, guys. But animation, probably you will not going to paint or drawing, but you will mostly working with your laptop. You want it or not?
What is the app?
Sure, but I'm very bored.
Actually, we have two apps. We have three apps. The first one is we.
Eh? Please, can I? What did you say?
What?
Eh? What the?
I cannot hear him.
Yeah,
Say what? Please.
if you wanna work with the animation, please let me know. Yeah.
I wanna
Can I
work.
please?
Tran,
I'm bad at
Yes,
the
Ivo.
I'm too tired.
Are you tired, Ivo, already?
I'm too tired to make the whole street.
Oh
Also,
yeah, you can ask your mommy to helping you.
I'm like, my back is tired now. I'm sleeping. I am almost finished, you guys. Oh
To you guys.
no.
After Ruth is done, can I?
Are you even done yet?
I'm almost done.
Okay, for me, I'm almost done. This is just one command. Beautiful tree, beautiful tree, beautiful tree. Beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, I'm done. I am done with the sky.
Ooh.
I'm almost finished, guys.
Me too.
I just feel something. I know, it's like, what? Now I need to. I have another.
Sir, I am done.
Oh, hell.
After Jason, Ruth, and then me.
Okay, why need the last one?
Hello?
Yeah. I'm here.
I am done.
Me too. Me three.
Okay, Jason, you wanna present it?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Yeah, I'm going to mute everyone first. Wait, Jason.
I can mute myself.
Okay, cool. Okay, Jason, take photo first. Ready? 1, 2.
I can mute by myself.
All right, Jason. I want you to have like 3 until 4 minutes to present all the details. Okay, ready? 1, 2, go.
Hello, my name is Jason and I make this like buildings and cars. So first, well, there is some cars. So there's three different kind of cars. This one is like for roads, cars, and then this is a van that also makes a house, so it can go anywhere. And then there's this racing, what is it called? Racing motorcycle. And then in here, the road car wants to go inside the ice cream shop. So the ice cream shop looks like ice cream, but inside there's ice creams. Then you have like the van over here. There is like a statue, and then there's the fountain, and then there's some trees, some lights, and then the motorcycle is going into this mall to buy some like things and stuff. And then up here, there's like so many colorful shapes. There's mostly circles and squares. And then over like over here, this is like I use paint. So like I use this one to paint it. And then how I paint it, I first draw the cars and then the buildings and the statue, and then I trace it all, and then I paint it with different kind of colors, and also make the fountain with blue, and then yeah, that is it. Thank you.
Wow, Jason, I was so impressive with your presentation. Yeah, it's like 2 until 3 minutes. Good job, Jason. And I like the way you draw the fence and the motorcycle. That's look realistic. Good job, Jason. I really like it. I give you 2 thumbs up. Okay, what did you learn from this lesson, Jason?
So I learned how to draw cars, how to paint nicely, and then how to use different kind of colors and making buildings.
All right then. Thank you so much, Jason. You can leave the call and you can take a rest just a while. Yeah.
Okay,
Don't forget to tidy up your painting and everything.
okay,
Bye, Jason.
bye bye. I'll stay here and see the others.
Yeah, yeah. Okay then. You can stay also. All right. Who else want to present? Come on. This is the time for you to talk,
Ruth and
to
then
share.
me.
Yeah, Mr. I like.
Since I
I
really
mean,
want to
I.
put cars,
Not me yet. I'm still drawing.
since I really want to
Yeah,
cars, yeah, or we can go first.
I'm so tired.
yeah. I encourage everybody to express your idea differently. Yeah, I don't really like to see something uniform like you copying others or someone copying others like
This?
that. I mean, I really support everyone if you can express your idea in a different way. It doesn't have to be very perfect. No, at least you express your idea. That's more than enough for Mr. Al.
Dad,
Yeah, Ivo.
my dad says that no one is perfect. They think that they're perfect, but it's not true.
Yeah, Ivo. Can you say it again? What is your opinion?
My dad says that not no one is perfect and nothing is perfect, but people thought that they're perfect and everything's perfect, but it's not true.
Yes, I agree with your daddy. Yeah, nothing is perfect. I mean, everything is possible. If you do not do it perfectly today, you can make it perfect maybe tomorrow. Make it even better than the previous one. Yeah, I agree with your daddy, and your daddy is totally agree. I mean, I totally agree with your daddy. Okay, who wants to be the next one? The risk taker.
Not
Evo.
yet. I'm a little
Not
bit
yet. Okay, yeah, it's okay. Take your time, Ivo.
done.
Wow. Okay, can I take photo of you first? Smiling, yeah. Ready? One, two, go. Okay, you may start now.
Hi, my name is Ifo, and this is what I honestly created. So this is a cat that is homeless, and then he's happy because the road is so nice and soft. No, it's pretty cool. And anyways, there's a mom that is with the baby, and before the sun was a little bit going on the baby, so it has black and it's a little bit burned. And then it's saying "Mama" because she likes the mom. And then this the iced tea stand. It costs $100. That's because it's so good. And then this is the lemonade. It costs $1, or I don't know. And as you can see, there's a camper van up there, which me and Ruth are in. Ruth is driving, and I am saying hello to the whole entire street. So me and Ruth is in this house, this type of house. It looks so university or something. And there's a green car, and then there's some lights, and this light, and it's like showing, and then there's some flowers, and there's a frog going to cross the street. Hopefully it doesn't get squashed like pancake. And anyways, there's an apartment and a bicycler on the bicycle. And then there's the bicycler's house. And then yeah, there's also inside house. And also some of them live at the apartment, and as you can see, there's a whole thing, and there's shoes. What? And there's a taxi, and there is paper, and those are pollution. People just throw them in the street. Just not good. And last but not least, the taxi. It's right here.
All right, Ivo, what is your favorite color?
Blue, pink, and purple.
All right, I noticed that you put so many blue, pink, and purple in your painting. How do you feel?
I feel so happy.
You feel what? I'm sorry, Mister, I cannot hear you clearly.
I feel happy.
Okay, how to make your painting even more better in the future?
I think in the future, I just build tons and tons and tons. And then and then there's more cars, and I just make it more colorful. It's like a beautiful day in sunshine.
All right, can you share us something that you learned from this lesson, Ivo?
I learned that if you have so many colors, it looks so good and stuff. And second, I learned that if you put your favorite colors, you'll feel happy. And last but not least, if you practice all the time, it will make it more, more amazing and stuff. And that's all
Ivo.
I learned. Thank you.
Ivo, I noticed that some of the building, some of the car is also like flying. What's happened?
No, it's not the flying. It's just the road. It looks like the sky, but it's not.
Okay, from your painting, all of your drawing, which one that you think that is really cool?
I like everything. And this is my first camper van and my first bicycle and my bicycler.
Yeah, I love the way you draw the mommy with the stroller. Yeah, that looks really unique. Yeah, I like it. Okay, from 1 until 100, how many score do you think?
1,100.
Okay, thank you so much, Ivo.
This is my first
Yeah?
time drawing a camper van, a stand, a bicycle and a bicycler, a helmet, a taxi, and a stroller, and a baby.
Yeah. Tell your mommy to frame your painting. Yeah, this one is really cool. I want you to put it on the paper and then, yeah, frame it. It's really cool. You will remember this moment later on if you can frame it, if you can.
Trying to disturb my own camera.
Yeah, or just put it in your folder. Thank you so much, Ivo and Jason. Yeah, if I'm in Surabaya, I will go to your place then. I will play with you then. Ha ha ha. Yeah, come on, dance, Ivo. You have to celebrate because both of you are very talented. Yeah. Okay. How about Alithia or Ruth? Are you ready?
I am ready.
How about Ruth
I'm
first?
ready
Ruth?
too. Can I present?
Ya, Kakak Tia sabar ya. Ruth dulu ya, sebentar ya. Oke, Ruth, take photo first.
Okay, wait. Wait.
Now,
Mr. Al, you're freezing.
start now.
Oh,
Hi,
okay.
Ruth. You can start now.
Hi everyone, it's me, Ruth, and I have drew this. It's about a picture about Catlandia City, and this is where I live with Eva with fake cat ears. It's a headband. And I'm right here riding a bicycle, and Evo is gonna go to kindergarten. So I tried to follow her all the way to kindergarten when I was still 5. And this is our house with the orange and purple roof and with a purple door with a cloud on here. And the sun is very happy because all the people
Wow, nice.
are happy too. And also, there's a dog right here. It's our dog Sophia. She's still smelling the flowers because she's not allergic to flowers. She's allergic to mosquitoes too. And also,
She like a cat.
yes, and there's a double-decker school bus, which Eva doesn't know, and she's riding on the double-decker bus. She's right here, trying to relax very safely. Yep.
Yeah, I can see that.
And also, I tried to draw the office, but it's in a half. It's in a half. Wait, it's in a half size. And I made a teeny tiny school of science right here next to my house. Oh yeah. Wow. And also, this was my first pink bicycle, and my school grade was, yeah, you already know it. And also, I put a helicopter here to make it more sense, because the helicopter wanted to see if all the people were throwing trash, but I was just distracted by riding a bicycle and looking at our dog Sophia.
Okay, Ruth, where do you get the ideas of drawing the double-deckers bus?
I remember it in my grandpa's phone. So I tried to copy it.
Okay, how about the girls riding the bicycle? Where you get the idea? That's really unique. That's really nice.
Well, because I just get, wait, I don't know where I get it from. I don't know. I didn't get it from my brain. I didn't get it from Google. Oh my gosh, help me. Last things last is, right now I cannot ride a bicycle.
Bicycle is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just B, Y, C. Yeah, later I will show you how to ride a bicycle. Yeah. Oh, by the way,
I mean not ride bicycle. I don't know how to ride a bicycle.
Oh, to ride the bicycle. Yeah. Do you
Can I
have a
have
bicycle in your house?
Nope, I left it in the room.
Ruth,
Oh, okay. Ruth, if I want to say something.
question first.
What?
Ruth, if Corona is over, you can come at Jason's place. My mom can teach you how to bicycle with my bicycle.
At the kiss.
All right, Ruth, can you tell us something that you learned from this lesson?
Well, one more thing. My mom didn't help me.
Yeah, which is very good. Yeah, you're independent now. Yeah, what did you learn from this lesson?
I learned how to do things by myself to create more imaginations and not to copy. Sorry. And do not copy people's drawing, otherwise I'll be fired away to the ocean.
Yeah, okay then. Thank you so much, Ruth. Are you happy with your drawing?
I'm 100% bored.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dan, for sharing with
And
us.
one more time, please don't end this meeting.
Yeah, I will not end this meeting. You can still talk with your friend. Okay, Tia, are you there? Kakak Tia, are you there? Kakak Tia, are you there?
I'm here.
Okay, after that, you can talk with your friend, yeah? Okay, Tia, wait. Take photo first. Come on. Hold it.
Stop it.
Okay. Okay, you may start now, Tia. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Hi, my name is Alethea, and this is my vehicle and buildings drawing. You can see that there's like a lot of there's some like vehicles also. Can you notice that this is looking like a building or not? It's actually a London bus. I mean bus. In London bus there's like two stories for the bus, but for me I accidentally make it so tall with the windows. And then there's a school bus. This is a school bus over here, and you can see there's like some people here. And then this is a green car with some kids and parents there. And then there's and also you can see there's like a 2-story car. I wanted to make it more cool, like a 2-story car. And if you can see, this says a happy restaurant. This is a restaurant for some people that likes to be happy. And then there's also a school right over here. It says School of Science. It's like a school for science. And over here, this is a farm, and over here is a house. This is a pink apartment, and then a tree. A tree.
All right. Yeah, I love the way you draw the London bus. Yeah, London bus is having like a roof that people can sit down on the roof, right? They can
Yes.
see the fresh air, and then they can see the area that they pass. Okay, where you get the idea?
Oh, I got the idea from Peppa Pig.
Okay, from everything, what did you learn? What is the most hardest part of your drawing?
I think the London bus because look how many windows it is. There is.
Yeah, okay, from 1 until 100, what do you think you deserve to get the score?
100?
I think, yeah, 100, yeah, but yeah. How about the building at the back? What building is that?
Which one?
The purple one.
Oh, it's a hotel or apartment.
Okay, you mix the blue, yeah, the dark blue and the light blue on the sky.
Yes.
Scene. Okay, how do you feel about everything that you paint?
I feel happy.
How about when you draw a car? Do you feel stress?
Yes, because of the windows. I always like make a mistake. Like usually when I draw a cat, I just do like this, and this. Then the window just go all the way on the top.
Okay, if Mr. Al asking you to sing and paint, which one do you think the easiest one?
What? What?
If Mr. Al asking you to sing or to paint, which one do you think you decide to choose?
I would like to choose both of it.
Oh, you can sing? Can you sing something please for us?
Okay.
Ready? One, two, go.
Let's see a better, don't make it better. All the time to see the do the done. I won't forget you when I look at you. All the time to need is only for myself. Baby, I need better. Okay, I'm gonna stop.
You don't tell me that you have a hidden talent, yeah, Tia. You are very good in singing. Why don't you teach me how to sing, Tia? Please help me. My voice is very worse. Okay then. Thank you so much, ya, Kakak Tia. Yeah, tell my best regard to your mommy also. See you again next time, everybody. You can talk with your friend, with Ruth and with Ivo. Thank you, Tia. Thank you, Pio. Thank you, Ivo. Thank you, Ruth. And then thank you, Jason.
Don't end the meeting, please.
Yeah, I will not.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
but
Mr.
don't. You can talk, but not too late. Yeah, you have to just like I will give you like 20 minutes to talk, but be careful. I want you to discuss something worth to your life. For example, tutorial about something.
We
But
will do a drawing contest with Evo.
okay, you can do the drawing contest with your friend. And yeah, see you again next time. Bye, everybody. And still continue your painting. Yeah.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye,
Let's
Mr.
talk.
We're not leaving.
Let's talk.
Just
Good afternoon.
Just leave.
Okay, guys. So